Hello everyone.
Hi there,
From Great Zimbabwe.
We're welcoming you to the first video in our series.
Yes, we are gonna play Nyamaropa.
We are. Forward is.
I am Nyamaropa.
So Nyamaropa is the same name as this tuning?
Nyamaropa is the same name as the tuning, yes.
And we've got two parts that you're going to introduce for beginner players. They might not know that the
Nyamaropa.
You know, like Kushara and Kutsinhira?
Yes.
So there's parts that go together.
Yes, that goes together.
Can you just tell us what does Kushara mean?
Kushara is leading. That's what is meant by Kushara in Shona. In Shona is called leading.
And the next one?
And the next one will be Kutsinhira. Kutsinhira means response.
Response. I've heard also following and emphasizing.
Yes, of course. You can use all those words. Whatever it is.
So, would it be that a beginner player plays the Kushara and the advanced player plays Kutsinhira, or it's not always that way?
That begins on the level of playing, but yes, a beginner can play Kushara, and the advanced can play Kutsinhira. Or both beginners can play Kushara and Kutsinhira beginners parts.
So Kutsinhira, that's if you had a beginner and an advanced player, the Kutsinhira would probably be played by the advanced player.
Of course.
Okay,
yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
So let's go with the Kushara then.
Beginner parts.
Let me just explain to them. You're going to stamp your foot as well. It shows where the pulse is. We've got Hosho videos for you guys. Yes. There's the percussion, like maracas, that gets played along with the Mbira. And then you'll introduce some extra notes on the right hand finger, some high lines to make things a bit more interesting. And then also some singing, some song words. Okay, so we'll try and build this up first with the Kushara.
Yes.
Here we go.
There we go. Yay. Oops.
It's no problem. I can tell everybody now we're doing all of this without editing, and Forward has just been playing like crazy the Forward Kwenda style Kutsinhira version of this song. So here's evidence that we're not editing.
Yes.
I'm just giving you time to find it. How are you doing there?
I got it now.
Excellent.
Thank you so
and this gives you all permission to make mistakes as well. Nice one. Very nice, Forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Andy. Thank you, everyone.
So I'm going to flick the camera over to me to give Forward just a few moments to get himself ready for the next part, for the Kutsinhira. And what was I going to say? Something along the lines of mistakes. He only makes mistakes when he's doing the easy stuff. He's trying to make it really simple for you all, and you're concentrating so hard on getting it perfect.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. If you're any doubt about the quality of this guy's musicianship, go down to the advanced videos and you'll see some incredible playing. Here we go for the Kutsinhira.
Yes.
Nice one, thank you, Forward.
Thank you, Andy. Thank you, everyone.
Yep, thank you. Just a quick note to say we kind of follow a similar structure with each of the songs. We start off with Kushara, Kutsinhira, basic parts. Then you do a mix-up for like solo players if they want to explore them.
Yes.
And then next after that, Kushara, Forward Kwenda style,
and then
Kutsinhira, Forward Kwenda style, and then that's gold in itself. That's the good stuff. But then we get onto the final mix, which is forward. Just some of those are like, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes long, and it's hard to get him to stop. And then he does, and then I'll come back and do some more recording. So you'll get some multi-part bits of that. Even in different settings, because we've returned to some songs a few times. Then we've also got some guests. We've been around Zimbabwe, we're still travelling around, and we've got some other Mbiras doing their own versions of those songs. And then we're also hopefully meeting up with Japheth.
Yes,
And
Matamba.
I'm going to try and get some video of Forward playing with Japheth. And Ethan... Tandy, yeah. So then we can see two Mbiras playing. We'll hopefully start off with the basic parts, and then into your own styles. So yeah, more gold. Anything else? I hope that's it.
Love more salary.
Love more salary.